All right, guys, here's our competition in the price category. They're running 3/16 plate. We're running 3/8, so we're double the thickness. And we got self-cleaning holes. They got reliefs cut into them. Here's me pressuring it with the pier clamp. We're actually deforming it quite a bit. Let's check out ours. I don't know how to show this. Okay, this is literally as tight as like. Oh my god, I can't get any tighter. There is some light coming through. I want to be as transparent as possible. But I mean, we could probably use a feeler gauge on that. We'll probably get 5 thou. That is tight.